Jim King over here off of, I'm playing with the new phone, yeah, videotaping. Final step of the King Piers system, the second pour. Mr. Enrique on it. I don't think this porch is going to fall anymore. What you're looking at there, folks, is 4 cubic yards of high-strength concrete encased around 300 pounds of steel after the bottom rock on that stone foundation was squeezed back together. Permanently stabilized. Beautiful workmanship. Them 3 holes accumulated this much dirt. I believe the homeowner, Sally, who is a professional opera singer, this is Sally. And Sally lives in this beautiful house. And Sally and her husband are professional opera singers. So I'm so honored to get to work on their home. For all your foundation piering needs, call King Piers, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com.